Well, hello there, gorgeous genius. I wanted to show you the sketchbook I've just started for the Creative Immersion. Our first session just happened, and we started out with this theme of crossing a threshold, making a new beginning. And I think of thresholds like a doorway or a portal. And so that is what imagery I'm compelled to start this visual journal with. See this oval shape? We did a short visualization about the threshold we're standing on. And this is what keeps showing up in my pages. And some imagery I've cut out from an old anthropology catalog is just kind of going perfectly. Look at this phrase, the life within. Life welcomes you home, embrace it. So I love to explore this theme at the beginning of a workshop. Each week, we're going to have a theme. There will be more writing and collage that ends up on these pages. But for now, for this week, I'm focusing on the doorway, the passageway, what's in front of me, what I've left behind me to go through this passage. These are some blank pages ready for writing and my photos. Been really fun and exploring this portal imagery further. I think this is going to be showing up a lot in this sketchbook, considering what my path of least resistance is and most allowing. So there's new things happening on the horizon, and there's old things leaving. The beauty of doorways, the beauty of the threshold. And I wanted to share this with you today because it's really funny. I've gotten several messages today about people who meant to sign up for the creative immersion and have just seen the email or have been thinking about it and decided to join us. So if you want to do that too, I thought, well, I'm going to make another invitation to everyone and invite you to join us. It's not too late to sign up. I've actually left the registration page up. So if you've been thinking about it, if you're intrigued by what threshold you're standing on now, something you want to create, something you want to manifest in your creativity and your creative life over the next 6 months, I'd love to support you to do that. I will leave a link about where to sign up for the creative immersion. I look forward to seeing you, thinking about where we're going and where we've been. It's a magical portal.